Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete WhatsApp messages from your phone and the cloud. To do that, open WhatsApp, press three dots, select Settings, select Chats, scroll down, Chat History, press Delete All Chats, and also clear all chats. Go back, press Chat Backup, press Automatic Backups. Right now for me it's set to monthly backup. Select off. It will prevent chat backups to Google Drive. Now open Google Drive. Click three dots to open menu. Press Storage. Scroll down. Press Cleanup Space button. Scroll down. Select WhatsApp. And this is recent backup taken from WhatsApp. Delete it. This is how you can permanently delete WhatsApp messages and chats from your phone and from the cloud. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.